Hey, this is Roy from Cloud9 Classics here in Alpharetta, Georgia. Inside the showroom, checking out this absolutely gorgeous 1971 Ford Bronco in the original sky view blue color. This is an uncut, not lifted, stock height, absolutely gorgeous Bronco. I know this Bronco well because I actually sold this Bronco to a gentleman about 5 years ago. It had been restored 3 years prior to that, a frame-off restoration on a very solid Bronco. It had spent most, if not all, of its life up until that point in Alabama. The original DSO was Atlanta, Georgia, so it lived a really good rust-free life, and it's got a beautiful body on it and beautiful paint as well. I'm going to give you a quick walk-around tour, and you'll see just how nice this Bronco is. Especially your seam lines, your door panel fit, really exceptional. It does have the Beltline chrome trim, looks excellent. Getting harder to find really nice uncut originals these days. And as you know, the Bronco market continues to be on fire. So the gentleman I sold it to, he enjoyed it for 5 years with his family. They actually put about 4,000 miles on it, and it really came back in as good a condition, if not even better. He added a few touches to it. This one's got the original 302 under the hood that's been completely rebuilt at the time of restoration. One of the strongest running stock 302 Broncos I've had. But check out those body lines. Again, a lot of times you find these doors sticking out, not on this one. You shut them and they close really nice and line up beautifully. Original stock hubcaps. Now this one's a 3-speed manual on the column, which is a lot of fun to drive. In this one, the bushings, everything had been changed out in the column shifter, so it's one of the smoothest shifting 3 speeds on the column that I've had. Really tracks down the road beautifully. Really strong motor, nice tone from the dual exhaust. Well, pardon me, single exhaust, but really nice tone from the single exhaust. Interior looks fantastic. It's got the parchment interior. Very original looking. Carpet kit. Seat belts front and rear. Original rear seat. Roll bar, bikini top, and you'll see in the pictures we do have the hard top, and that's in like new condition as well. In the dash is a digital retro sound stereo with Bluetooth. Fits in the original stock hole. It's just a sweet Bronco, all in all. I mean, I put miles on this thing when I had it the first time. I've driven it now, probably 20 miles since I've had it this time, and she just purrs. She'll fire right up. Now, they also had added at the time of restoration power front disc brakes. So this thing stops on a dime. It does have manual steering, which really is not that much of a challenge once you're moving in this thing, and it gives you really true steering as opposed to a lot of your power steering units that you end up having a lot of play in the steering wheel. I'll let you hear it running. So again, great tone from the single exhaust. The undercarriage on this Bronco is rock solid. Floor pans look fantastic. Overall, this Bronco is what I would call a great local show truck. It'll win its share of trophies, but it's also one you get in, drive, and enjoy. Really hits the road beautifully. Let me let you hear it running. Hopefully you could hear just how awesome this Bronco sounds. It's got the original styling, the original looks, uncut body, and a blast to drive. If you've been looking for a first-gen Bronco, this one is definitely one you don't want to miss. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call, 770-359-8400. Thanks a lot, good luck.